it has become evident that the recent developments in Manicaland represent not merely excitable political maneuvering, but rather a strategic initiative embedded within a broader agenda aimed at bolstering Vice President Chiwenga while simultaneously countering the influence of Kudatagure through using Tungwarara. Sadabina mashoko kubuda chitogwa panapa natepa mliswa another attack yaari kuyapangwa ine achireply kune zvakaitika ava kuManicaland over the weekend. Iri subscribe like out of the bell icon. Panapa mliswa nindambira achiti, having realized how VP Chiwenga lacks both the political heft or financial muscle to directly confront Tagure, Tungwarara has emerged and been positioned as the figurehead of an enterprise to thwart Tagure. It's no wonder that at the recent Manicaland event, where Tagure was attacked through innuendo and quavered language, Muchanga was present to bask in the excitement. He is known to be very much against Tagure. Currently, a faction known as ZANU-PF 100%, orchestrated by Information Minister Jennifer Muswere, has emerged this group ostensibly seeks to champion the party's interests, but serves in reality as a mechanism to undermine President Idi Mnangagwa. Again, some of its primary objectives include elevating Tungwarara while devising strategies to marginalize Tagure. The shocking actions of Manicaland chairperson Mukoza, who has reportedly received $300,000 in vehicles, underscores the depth of maneuvering. The evidence of this is there. It's the reason Mukoza has become politically fatalistic, choosing to call for a PCC to endorse Tungwarara's co-option instead of defending to the nullification order by Chamisa Machacha. This is effectively transformed Manicaland into a bastion of factionalism, promoting a course antithetical to the foundational principles, direction, and resolution of the party. Moreover, operatives involved are leveraging an entity named Felix and Fraser to unearth narratives that portray Tagure as a subversive force against ED. The strategic intent is to engender discord between the two, furthering their own agenda. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino achitogwa awana muliswa achikomenda pamusoro pemashoko utterances aitaurwa in Tungwarara's speech achionekwa kunzi awa they are further dividing the party. Pinda comment section medu zvafungiro emo today pamusoro pechitwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chete on the bell icon.